Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab SR5. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 truck in magnetic gray metallic, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your projector beam headlights, your charcoal grille, and your keyless entry for a great blend of style and function. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Tacoma has to offer. Taking us inside is our key fob. We've got the lock and unlock, plus we have our panic button so we can unlock once for the driver's side door, twice for all four, and we'll check out the back seat. See lots of space back here. We've got some under seat storage as well. Keep whatever you might need to pop in there, and we have some behind the seat storage too. So lots of space for whatever you might need to pop, store, and just keep kind of at bay for when you might need it. And we'll hop into the front seat over here, checking out our door panel. All four window buttons. We've got the lock and unlock and window lock buttons, plus mirror adjuster and some space just underneath the door. We've got our adjuster just to the left of the seat, and to the left of the steering wheel we've got the 120 volt AC outlet that is in our box with our cargo light and our automatic headlights. So we'll get this thing going and show you what's going on. So here we have our instrument panel. We'll pop the lights on so we can get a little more detail going on here. So we've got that beautiful multi-information display right in the center. We're going to be using the right side of our steering wheel buttons to navigate through our menu here, giving us a few different readouts and lots of information on virtually everything you might need to know about your vehicle. In order to get back to our main menu, all we'll do is pop this button right there. Also on the right hand side we have our lane departure assist, plus we have our dynamic radar cruise control that can be used in conjunction with our cruise control right behind our right hand. On the left hand side is for entertainment system. We've got our mode selector, channel selector, we've got our volume, voice recognition, and hands-free calling. So more on that entertainment system over here. So nice and basic, it's everything you need and nothing you don't. We got our audio system and our Bluetooth phone connectivity. Looking at our audio system, we got the AM, FM, and XM capabilities, as well as Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and CD. And then we have some audio, phone, and message applications, plus we've got our eco mode giving us our consumption rates. So we will pop it into reverse, and there's our backup camera, nice crisp view of what's going on. Now that we're back in park safe and sound, we've got our climate system that's operated via dial with the air conditioning and inner circulation, plus we have our heated mirrors, which is great for those winter mornings. And then we have our drivetrain selector just to the left right there that is on this dial. We either pop it just like that, or we push in and put it to 4-low. So we'll pop it back to 2-wheel drive, and just below that we've got our heated passenger and driver's seat with our electronically controlled transmission, USB, and auxiliary, plus 12 volt DC outlet. And then just behind that we've got some cup holders with a removable insert, and we have sport mode on our gear shift as well. Another cup holder right here, and then two more in the back seat, so you're going to be covered regardless of what you have going on. We've got a 12 volt DC outlet in our center console, and then looking a little further down we've got our lockable glove box right over here that we can fit virtually anything in. We usually put our user manuals, and I put some Kleenex and some quick access things, and we can lock that right up, putting our cell phone, keys, wallet, whatever we might need to keep safe and sound if we're going to be exiting and we don't want to have those lying around on our person. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Before we hop into the cargo area of our Tacoma, a few things to show you. We've got our 3-piece bumper. In case anything happens, we won't have to replace the entire thing. We've also got our towing package 4 and 7-pin connection right there, as well as our backup camera by our handle. So we'll open right up, and you can see we've got the easy down tailgate. We've got our box liner as well with our 4 anchor points. We've got our 120 volt outlet right here that is activated by the button in the cab. And then we've got our bed rails right over here, giving us some adjustable tie down points. Let's take a last look at our 2019 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab SR5. Some other features include your heated front seats, your AC outlet, and your Toyota safety sense. That includes the lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Coming in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton in the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.